Happy Monday, Kipsters. We're going to get started by doing our math problem for today. Today, our focus is going to be on some word problems. These are also multiple step word problems. So as you're reading these questions and beginning to solve, think about what that question is asking you and what your answer needs to be, because there's likely more than one step that you're going to have to take in order to find your final answer.
Before we start on our problem, let's remember cubes, which is one of our problem-solving strategies. When we use cubes, we think about the key numbers and units, and we ask ourselves, what do I know? We then think about the question, and we underline that and ask ourselves, what am I being asked to solve? I then look for clue words. Am I going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? The key words that I can find will help me determine which operation I should use. Finally, we're going to evaluate and we're going to come up with a plan for what we need to do to solve and find our answer. Today's question reads, 5 students went to the movie theater. They each spent $7 on their tickets and $5 on soda and snacks. How much money did they spend altogether? I now want you to reread this question to yourself and think about that cube strategy to help you solve this problem. We're about to get to our answers. Make sure you put the answer in the comments before we move on. To start solving this problem, I wrote down the key words and numbers from this problem. 5 friends. There's $7 on tickets and $5 on soda and snacks. I then put in red the altogether. That's a key word that's going to tell me that I need to add these to find it all the way. So since I'm going to be finding how much they spent altogether, I'm going to start by adding the $7 plus the $5 to get $12. I then know that there were 5 friends, and each of those friends paid $12, so I do 5 times 12 equals 60. That means that altogether the 5 friends spent $60 when they went to the movies. Now let's take a look at problem 2. A baker made 232 muffins. He sent 190 of the muffins to a local hotel. He will put the rest of the muffins in boxes. Each box holds 6 muffins. What is the number of boxes the baker needs? Think about that cube strategy as you begin to solve this problem. All right, it's time to make sure your answers are in the comments before we go over the correct answer. To begin this problem, I start by writing down what I know. I know that the baker made 232 muffins and he sent 190 to a hotel. Since he sent 190 to a hotel, that means that I need to subtract 232 minus 190. Once I've subtracted 232 minus 190, I find that I have 42 muffins left to box. I also remind myself that one box holds 6 muffins. Since one box holds 6 muffins, that means that I need to take the total remaining muffins, 42, and divide it by the 6 muffins that go into each box. So the baker will need 7 boxes. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, 4th grade. Way to work hard and grow your brain.